Are you feeling overwhelmed or stressed? I have a simple technique for you. Howdy, my name is Izzy Aldridge. I'm going to show you how to do the triple warmer smoothie. You're going to take your hands and you're going to lightly place them on your face with your fingers over your eyes with your eyes closed, and you're going to take 2 deep breaths in here. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. One more time, in through the nose, out through the mouth. On the next exhale, move your fingers to your temples. Take a deep breath. Move your hands above your ears. Exhale as you're bringing your hands around the ears, down the neck, and you're going to hang your fingers on your shoulders. You're going to do like a little deep massage. If this doesn't feel comfortable for you and you want to cross over your arms, you can do that as well. Whatever is comfortable, but take a few deep breaths here. Once you're done, rake your fingers with pressure on your shoulders, and you're going to end them on your heart chakra. Put one hand over the other and just take a few deep breaths here in this area. I like to do this technique at least 3 times to really bring me back to myself. Anybody can use this anytime, anywhere, as many times as they'd like. Until next time, keep moving energies. Bye-bye.